Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Hola amigos,
I'm Hilmi Rahman.
and I'm Muhammad Bijay Prasetyo.
In this video, we will explain about this poster.
This poster explains about cultures among this country.
Happy watching! Okay guys, the first country is Mongolia. Mongolia is located in North Central Asia. The capital, Ulaanbaatar, is in the north central part of the country. It is bordered by Russia in the north and China in the south. Okay guys, so in the first picture there is a yurt or jir, a traditional yurt from Turkic language, and jir from Mongolian language is a portable round tent covered with skins or felt and used as a dwelling by several distinct nomadic groups in the steppes of Central Asia. So in the next picture there is a deal. A deal is an item of traditional clothing commonly worn since centuries ago among the Mongols and Turkic peoples and can be made from cotton, silk, wool or brocade. The deal is still commonly worn by both men and women outside major towns, especially by herders. In the urban areas, deals are mostly only worn by elderly people or on festive occasions. Okay guys, so in the second country, there is Scotland. Scotland is most northerly of the four parts of United Kingdom, occupying about one-third of the island of Great Britain. The capital of Scotland is Edinburgh. Okay guys, in the first picture there is a bagpipe. The bagpipe is the national instrument of Scotland. The three pipes that rise out of the instrument create a constant sound, with a fourth pipe holding 9 holes for chord and pitch change. The bags are usually made of sheep or elk skin and filled with air, which is then pressed by the arm to push the air through. The sound is undeniable when heard and evokes a sense of time-honored tradition for those who love the music of the Scottish Highland.
Okay, I will continue the explanation from my friend. I will explain about the Celebration Day in Scotland. First, the Victoria's Day, or Scottish say La Victoria, is a public holiday in front of eastern central Scotland, simply the cities of Dundee and Edinburgh. Although it was formerly more widespread, it is celebrated on the last Monday before or on May 24th and commemorates Queen Victoria's birthday, 24 May 1819, exactly like Victoria Day in Canada. The second is Michaelmas Day, also known as the Feast of Saint Michael, Gabriel, and Raphael, the Feast of the Archangel of the Feast of Saint Angel and All Angels. It is a Christian festival observed in some Western liturgical calendars on 29 September. Okay, the next country is Colombia, from South America. Colombia located in the border of Central and South America. The capital city of Colombia named Bogota. Colombia, also known as the second largest Spanish-speaking country in the world, and is also counted about 65 indigenous languages. The celebration day of Colombia. One is the Black and White Carnival. This carnival takes between the 2 and the 7th of January in Pasto. The Black and White Carnival is the one of the most symbolic Colombian festival, reflecting the cultural tradition of the region. It was declared a cultural heritage of humanity by UNESCO in 2009, and every year it brings tourists from abroad and local from across Colombia. Second of Colombia celebration day is the Flores Festival, or the Spanish said Feria de las Flores. It is a festival that takes place in Medellin, Colombia. The festival is the most important social event for the city and includes pageants, automobiles, a Paso Pino horse parade, and many musical concerts. Okay guys, that's all from us.
Hopefully, this video can increase our knowledge about cultures among that country.
See you later.
Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.